Hello, today we are going to see how to remove any software from your computer, from your laptop or desktop. Let's see. First of all, click on your Windows icon. It may be Windows 10 or Windows 11. It does not have any problem. And then go to the control panel. After just typing control, you will see the control panel will be popped up here and simply click on it. After clicking, you will have these few options, but if you don't see anything like this, then just simply you may see this one, and if you can't see this one, then this might be the same as you see now. But the large icon is the perfect one to see because it gives you the perfect view. All right, just find out programs and features from all these options, programs and features. And then after going to the programs and features, you will see which application you have installed already. Just simply double click on that particular software what you would love to remove, and here you can see 3.5G horsepower modem. I'd love to remove this one to show, and after double clicking on it, you can see here is on screen, and I have to click on yes. After clicking on yes, you have to follow the on-screen instructions and just simply click on yes, and then you have to wait for just a few moments because based on your software size it may take time. As you can see, this has been removed. So all the softwares that you can see here installed, I can remove just double clicking and then following the on-screen instruction. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you find it useful, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and let's share your comment, or let's share your thoughts about this video if it is helpful. Thank you.